Hi guys, good morning. This is your OVI Master Perry Tapales and welcome to our OVI's Frequently Asked Questions. Ikaw ba ay hindi naka-receive ng iyong COI or Certificate of Insurance? Ikaw ba ay nagtataka, na-encode ko na, wala akong na-receive. Na-encode ko na, wala pa rin yung message. Na-encode ko na, wala pa rin yung email. Don't worry, huwag kang magpanik. Normally, ang COI, pag nare-receive mo, ito po ay pumapasok sa iyong spam folder. So, you just have to check yung email mo, scroll down and check the spam folder, at makikita mo, nandun po pumapasok normally ang email ng ating partner na Stronghold. So, all you need to do is just click that message is safe, and then you will see in that same email, nandoon na po ang inyong COI or Certificate or confirmation of insurance, at nandun na rin po naka-attach ang kabuuan ng inyong SealPro policy. Alright? So don't worry, kailangan mo lang i-double check at busisiin ang iyong spam folder. Okay? So God bless everyone and see you more in our OVI Frequently Asked Questions.